Hello guys, join me. Let's take a look at how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel and how to wrap text in cells. Merging of cells is the combination of two or more cells to become one cell. So let's take a practical example of what we mean. Say we want to give this a title. We want to call them sales record. So we have to merge the cell so that it covers the whole of the entries. So we are merging cell A1 to E1. Okay, so to merge, on the home tab, we go to alignment group here, then click on merge and center. Okay, that is it. So let's give it the name sales record. Okay, so the next thing now is to work on how to wrap text. Let's say, for example, we want to reduce the width of this column. Let's reduce the width. Okay, as you can see now, the price is no more there. It's still in the cell. Look at the formula bar, it's still there, but it's not visible. So what we must do is to wrap the text. So to wrap a text, we select the text. Okay, then click on wrap text. Sorry, seems it was wrapped before. Select the text, click on wrap text. Good. So we have it now. Now we must do another thing, that's to adjust either the height or the width so that it will look good. So we can just adjust the width. Perfect. Let's take another example. Let's say we want to enter here percentage profit. Percentage profit, press enter. Now from what we are saying, the percentage profit couldn't enter into one cell. What must we do? We should just use the wrap text to work on it. So on the home tab, on the alignment group, we select wrap text. Okay, now we can also adjust the width. Good. This is perfect. This is perfect. That's it.